Meaning of insanity.
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 Insanity. Insanity refers to a mental state characterized by severe illness of the mind, marked by delusions, hallucinations, and irrational behavior. It is generally considered a legal term rather than a medical one and can be used as a defense against criminal charges in some cases. Insanity is often associated with psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. People suffering from insanity may experience episodes of mania or depression, exhibit violent or suicidal behavior, and pose a danger to themselves or others. Treatment options include therapy, medication, and hospitalization for severe cases.